Did you know that 15% of the $360 billion in revenue is generated by the digital media industry and generated through affiliate marketing? Well, if you aren't already familiar, CPA, or cost per action marketing, is a type of affiliate marketing that, as the name suggests, refers to the price measurement of a certain action. This action could be anything from a simple click to a form submission or sale. However, a huge struggle for most people getting started with CPA marketing seems to be that most CPA sites call for at least some experience or very stringent approvals. But not all of them. So in today's video, we will discuss 10 of the best CPA networks for beginners that have minimum requirements or need no approval. Starting with number 1, CPA Lead. Well, as the name says, CPA Lead is a leading CPA network that is known for its wide diversity of tools for affiliates. These tools add variety to the number of ways you could earn with CPA Lead, including content locking, download widgets, and exit traffic tools. Ways of earning could be anything from promoting affiliate links through various traffic mediums, placing surveys, pop-up ads on your website, and even click-to-earn offers, just to name a few. Number 2, Adwork Media. Adwork Media is a fully professional and elite CPA network that runs by its simple motto: if you have traffic, we will monetize it. Now, it offers top converting campaigns, especially mobile-based ones, and extraordinary tools for affiliates to get real-time insight into their campaigns. However, the best part about Adwork Media is their built-in mechanism for performance-driven bonuses, as well as a cooperating support staff that is available 7 days a week to guide you through the whole journey. But remember to always be on your toes, since the campaigns Adwork Media offers expire quite quickly, so be sure to pay attention and stay organized. Number 3, AdmitAd. Founded in 2009, AdmitAd is probably one of the largest CPA networks globally. Just from the stats for 2020, this German company made a whopping $5.1 billion in revenue alone. Much of its success comes from the fact that the AdmitAd network caters to multiple sectors, including finance, travel, and e-commerce. So finding a campaign that suits your audience wouldn't be a problem for sure. Also, unfortunately for advertisers and fortunately for you, the requirements for joining the platform are close to none. If the site where you'll be promoting campaigns is in English, AdmitAd is more than happy to let you in and work with its vast network of 1,500 plus advertisers. Number 4, MyLead. With over 3,000 advertisers and campaigns to choose from, MyLead gets CPA marketing done right. If you're looking for comprehensive statistics that assist with maximizing outputs and productivity, then this is the network for you. However, since MyLead is a performance-based network, you'll be paid depending on conversions. So if you can't seem to figure out a way to maximize your performance, the guides and team of mentors on the platform are there to assist you with that. Although critics may argue that the platform is heavily performance-driven, with a little bit of trial and error combined with guidance from a successful affiliate mentor, MyLead can certainly get you closer to the strategy you'll thrive in. Number 5, DrCash. DrCash is a CPA network primarily focused on beauty and health-related advertisers. Their main aim is to form a collaboration between affiliate marketers and nutrition companies, allowing them to make money in perfect harmony. Now, there's not much to say about DrCash, as it has a pretty straightforward mechanism operating in more than 242 countries, 55 different health and beauty niches, and has a diverse offering of 2,000 plus campaigns to choose from. However, a slight disadvantage would be that the minimum amount required to withdraw is $50, which compared to other networks is a little on the higher side. So although it may take a little longer to receive your first check, it'll sure be a fulfilling one. Number 6, CPA Build. From beginners to advanced affiliates, CPA Build is built right for both. Although on the surface it may appear like any other CPA network out there, that's certainly more to it than just that. For people who are knowledgeable in CSS, HTML, or JavaScript, CPA Build offers customizable templates for link lockers. Now this can be a huge moneymaker since the network allows you to make your template public and earn a commission every time another affiliate uses your template and earns from it. But for those not interested in customization, the platform also offers basic editable templates as well as detailed statistics and high-converting campaigns for affiliates. However, one downside for beginners could be that CPA Build is a little tricky to get a hold of, considering all the unique lockers and templates. So if you aren't familiar with such stuff, take your time and don't rush the learning process. Number 7. CPA Grip. CPA Grip has a tight grip over all the other CPA networks when it comes to details. From a comprehensive but easy-to-use dashboard, advanced analytics engine, and multiple URL or content lockers, this network is perfect for anyone. Although the terminologies might have made everything sound complex, CPA Grip is quite straightforward with more than 2,000 active campaigns for affiliates to begin with. It also has a variety of templates for developing high-conversion landing pages as well as geo-targeted offer walls that pay handsomely if your audience goes through with completing them. Once the minimum withdrawal balance of $50 is achieved, you will be paid every 30 days through your chosen payment method. Number 8. Advendor. Advendor has been the fastest growing CPA network since 2015 and claims to offer the most competitive affiliate tools in the market. However, one of the most applaudable aspects of Advendor has to be its brilliantly cooperative team of managers that have no other objective other than to make you a star-performing marketer. Additionally, there are no specific requirements to be approved on the network, and you can get going with promoting campaigns right away. It's that simple. Affiliates on Advendor not only have access to thousands of offers globally, but even receive notifications for incoming ones. Nonetheless, a slight downside of Advendor to keep in mind is that its payment methods are limited to wire transfers, Bitcoin wallet, and PayPal only. But it shouldn't be a huge problem since these are go-to payment methods for most people. Number 9. MobIdea. MobIdea aims to make sure that the affiliates live a financially independent life, which is why they partner specifically with premium-paying advertisers. The network itself specializes in mobile campaigns and utilizes its complex algorithms to pick out top-converting offers for affiliates. One MobIdea feature worth a mention is the Smart Link. Smart Link technically automates the whole monetization process by understanding where your traffic is coming from and connecting it with the best offer available through its AI mechanism. Surprisingly, MobIdea handpicks and negotiates the best deals with advertisers, which just goes to show their effort to strike the perfect collaboration between both parties. Number 10. Commission Junction. This CPA network not only partners with globally well-known brands such as Blue Apron and Office Depot, but provides a huge opportunity for affiliates to scale their work. As of stats, Commission Junction caters to roughly 1 billion monthly customers and generates a revenue of $16 billion annually, a percentage of which could potentially be yours. Pretty crazy to imagine, right? However, if you're a beginner here, getting to know your way around might be a little tricky. One feature of the network is its vendor manual approval, which, as the name suggests, means that advertisers will have to manually approve you for promoting their CPA campaigns. But no need to worry, as other affiliate campaigns with automatic approval allow you to begin promoting right away. So if you're new, better go with the second option and let the network's credibility grow your opportunities and revenue as you scale your campaigns. If you're serious and want to become a professional CPA affiliate, then Commission Junction is the network for you. Well, now that you're coming to an end, I've got a little secret to share with you. The CPA and marketing networks that we talked about in this video aren't that complicated, but do certainly require a tiny bit of understanding to begin with. Wondering where you can get that? Well, that's exactly what this channel is for. So if you want a head start in your marketing journey, make sure to subscribe and tune in for more content. And anyways, that is all for today, guys. I will see you in the next one soon.